Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna share with you oil analysis. During these moments, we all know that the conflict between Israel and Hamas is already accelerating. It is not a good situation at all, and it is not worth to look at for possible resistance zones on oil. So probably someone is looking at for selling opportunities, but we are not in that moment at all. During the previous time that I have shared the analysis for oil, we saw that the war is creating only problems. Also, when we had the problem with Ukraine and Russia, the price increased. And I am still looking at for a possible bullish opportunity. So oil should continue to grow further. As a minimum, I'm looking at this structure zone. That is the first structure area that we are looking at. If we are going to look at on the left part of the structure, it seems to be very strong. This is close to 94.6, 94.5. We can make something around as a number in order to have a possible target that may be reached easily. And on the other hand, any breakout from this area that seems to be very strong, we may also see the price to continue to grow even more. However, everything is related with news, how aggressive will be the news, and how the war will escalate during the coming days. So far, nothing is good. On the other hand, the potential after this breakout may get even higher, so the market may speculate and the situation may escalate more, and we can also see the top of the structure to be tested very easily if the price will begin the bullish movement. So we have to be very careful from this structure. We have the history that already is showing that the price tested the top, and probably many are focused for oil to reach the top again. So this is the maximum that we may have, because we had a similar situation that didn't happen many times ago, and probably many are watching for oil price to bounce in this area. However, one step at a time. Let's see what may happen on a lower time frame, because during these days oil price didn't increase further, so it was only doing ups and downs. However, we can also be in any accumulative moment. Probably this is not like some analysis that I'm looking at for a possible bearish move. I think that we are at the beginning of the war, and probably this can be a bullish accumulation in this moment for a bigger bullish wave. On this time frame, just let me fix this. It looks like the price is testing the top again. It is getting very risky so far. So any breakout from this area, because we have this type of accumulation as a type of triangular pattern, this is the pattern that I'm looking at. Any breakout from 89.8 probably will increase the chances that the price will grow further from this point. The first target that I'm going to look at will be close to 94.5. That is also a very strong structure zone. However, the price may continue to grow further. I'm looking at also for a possible target here close to 97.5, that it's close to the top of the structure again. And if we are going to look at oil in this perspective, we may see that we are looking at in two target zones that are very close to our price, and it makes sense for the price that can test both those areas. So let's see what is going to happen. This is overall what I'm looking at for oil. It is normal that we need to wait, because the price has to create a new high in order to continue to grow further. But this is the accumulation that we may see. If the market will calm down today, but I don't think that it will happen, probably we may see any movement like it happened yesterday, and the next wave can be bullish again. So this is what I'm looking at during these moments. So that's all for oil analysis. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to hit the like button and follow. Thank you. Bye bye.